Every day, millions of people enjoy creamy mayonnaise, but have you ever wondered how it's actually made?
Behind every spoonful lies one of the world's most fascinating food factories.
Welcome inside one of the world's biggest mayonnaise factories. Every egg is inspected before production begins. Only premium eggs continue through the production line. Every egg is inspected before production begins. Only premium eggs continue through the production line. Every egg is thoroughly cleaned before processing. The rich egg yolks continue toward the heart of the factory. Premium vegetable oil is stored under carefully controlled conditions. Every ingredient is measured with incredible precision. The oil is added gradually to begin forming the creamy emulsion. The remaining ingredients complete the recipe. Slowly, the ingredients transform into a smooth, creamy emulsion. High-pressure homogenizers create the silky texture everyone loves. The finished mayonnaise is now perfectly smooth and ready for bottling. The mayonnaise is finally ready, but millions of bottles still need to be filled, sealed, and shipped before reaching your kitchen. The creamy mayonnaise is now ready to begin its journey into millions of bottles. Every bottle is manufactured with precision before filling begins. Every bottle is cleaned and inspected before entering the filling line. Purified air ensures every bottle is perfectly clean. Now begins the most satisfying stage inside the factory. Every bottle receives the exact amount of creamy mayonnaise. Hundreds of bottles are filled every minute with incredible precision. Automatic cap feeders prepare every bottle for sealing. Every cap is tightened with computer-controlled precision. A protective seal locks in freshness and ensures product safety. Next, every bottle receives its product identity. Every bottle can be traced from production to delivery. Artificial intelligence checks every finished bottle before packaging. Only perfect bottles continue to the final packaging stage. The bottles are automatically grouped for shipping. Powerful robots pack thousands of bottles every hour. Robotic palletizers prepare every shipment with incredible accuracy. Every pallet is secured for safe transportation. The finished mayonnaise is stored until distribution begins. The mayonnaise is finally packaged, but one last journey remains before it reaches kitchens around the world. The factory has completed production. Now millions of bottles begin their journey around the world. Every shipment is loaded automatically for maximum efficiency. Within hours, the mayonnaise begins traveling to supermarkets across the country. Distribution centers prepare every shipment for local stores. Soon, the mayonnaise reaches supermarket shelves ready for customers.
Now the mayonnaise is ready to become part of a delicious meal.
Its smooth texture is the result of precise engineering inside the factory.
Perfect on burgers, sandwiches, and countless favorite meals.
Its rich flavor transforms even the simplest sandwich. Around the world, mayonnaise is used in countless recipes every day.